Intus Windows, how long have you guys been doing this now?
We're 18 years in production in Europe. We're 2 years here in the United States distributing our windows throughout US.
Okay, super. So you have recently made quite a dent in the window world in the United States because you're offering excellent European window quality at a very reasonable price.
Correct.
So you must have a really good business model, and I'm going to hand over the microphone.
Thank you. So yes, we do have very reasonably priced energy efficient windows, and our business model goes around one idea where balance, performance and quality has to meet in that perfect crystal ball and make sense. So all of our window lines that we offer have that balance of price, performance and quality. Specifically, I'd like to mention one of our product lines that recently made an entry in one of the charter schools in Washington, D.C. So this is UPVC line, and you can see the actual window here. This window will be installed in and will be featured in probably the first charter school in the United States. So it's a big high school full of windows, about 550 units. And we are supplying our windows to numerous of passive house projects in the United States as well. And all of our clients are extremely happy, and they always stress that difference of our company compared to the other manufacturers, where our products quality meets price and performance.
Well, thank you very much. And I'd like to say again, I might have forgotten this, but it's a European-based window. You're currently still producing in Lithuania, yes?
Right. And our lead times are generally about 10 weeks.
But you are looking at potentially producing in the United States down the road.
With the help of Phius,
down the road. We're going to try. We're going to do our best.
Okay. With the help of Phius,
totally selfish. Totally selfish.
Manufacturing facility in the United States, probably within the next 2 to 3 years. So,
excellent.
thanks.
Okay, super. Do you guys have questions, real quick? Nope. All right. Excellent product. Thank you so much for being here. Question.
The window there looks like a double pane, then a single pane in the middle. And can you explain that window, please?
This window right here is generally just to show that we laminate our glazing units for security purposes.
Okay.
So sometimes you have requirements for hurricane-proofing windows, for blast-proof, bullet-proof, and so forth. So this is just to show that we are able to do that and to reach different security classes required by the builder or the code. Sure.
I'm curious, what we're here with Intus and with Katrine here, is size. The largest, what's the largest that you can do? And Katrine, maybe what's the largest window you've ever done for a passive certified house?
At least on UPVC windows, we're able to do 75 square feet. So we can do a window that is basically 8 by 10 as a fixed unit without any transepts or mullions. With wood and aluminum products, we're able to do even bigger units. On operable windows, we can do 3.5, 4 feet by 8.5 feet as an operable, still tilt and turn operational window.
Yeah. And those are some pretty impressive sizes, right? Like I've seen, yeah, some really beautiful like French doors, full height, like 9 foot tall sometimes. And do you guys also do the sliders, lift and slide?
So I just want to mention one project we're working right now with Prudence down in California, Los Altos, California, where we're designing a huge slider which is 18 feet on the width, 10 feet on the height. There are 3 different panels on the different tracks. Each panel is 6 by 10 feet, all of them sliding to one 6-foot wide opening into the wall pocket. So this is pretty impressive size assembly. We're able to design it and construct it. So hopefully we'll see the daylight of that project coming up soon, sometime in the summertime.
What is that window?
This is a Passive House Institute certified window. By the way, this window was used in the Solar Decathlon competition this year for Parsons New School of Design and Siemens Institute of Technology project. we had fixed and operable windows as well. You can see here, this is wood, this is thermal break, which is insulation with cellulose inside and aluminum clad on the outside. By the way, Parsons donated their house to DC Habitat for Humanity, and it's been already sold, and a family lives there. And they're building another stick building right next to it, which will also be Passive House Institute certified, and will feature our products in it as well.